Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Excel functionalities to develop your own dashboard, having a front end on Microsoft Excel, and on the back end you can use any database like Microsoft Access we are using in this example. The scenario is that everybody has some day-to-day activities which he must perform, and uh, sometimes those activities are business-related activities, sometimes they are religious activities, sometimes they are charity activities, whatever. There can be so many activities, right? So this that's we use a database which is going to serve multiple users having their own set of activities, own sets of calendar pattern, and a user can be created, and then the report can be generated for him that what is the status for that, right? So let's take example of this scenario which we have in front of us. That is, Mike Carlton is having these activities. He has got a user code, Mike C or 0001, Mike Carlton, and it has so if we see it in our database and we go to the users, so in the users, this is the if you bring it front, yeah. So this is the user which has got this username, email address to which the email notifications will go, and local rate is that much. The currency is this, and six act mandate is that he has to got to do six activities of what of charity donation. So six charity donations he's supposed to do every day, right? And the per rate activity per rate is mentioned uh, in here. 185, right? Local rate is here, right? So 185 times 6 will be 1 day activity, and that's not and this how it is going to carry on, right? So this is the user pattern, which is a table, a user table having one line information for all the, and the master table has all the users listed in it, for which we have filtered Mike username and user ID, and the performance is being reported in here, right? So until now, two performance have been done, and all done through the email, right? Through the email where the action date was done. Okay, so let's do one more activity. We go to the send. So these are done through the email. Suppose Mike then is wants a 5 days clearance more. Okay, but what he's supposed to do is go to the edit subject, remove all the his unwanted things from the subject, and say 4 days. Yeah, Huh. This way it is going to mention that he has done the four charity activities. Uh, so so that will be marked as performed, right? So the date is set up on the basis of the start date which was provided by the user himself, right? So if your user has provided something earlier 16th of July, so next performance will be 17th of July and so on, right? So 4 days will be marked as performed, right, from 8th of February to 4 days, right? And these are going to be performed, and that's how it is configured, and the backlog overdue will reduce and performed will increase, right? Performed for the moment it is 1704, and as soon as uh, the Outlook transfers it to the, and now it has already transferred uh, to the right folder, and then it is picked as a command by the dashboard, and it has performed. Now this has uh, means that the performance figure has increased by 4 into 6, 4, 6 are 24. So 24 more things are there, and which that's 8th of February until 11th of February. And this is previously it was showing 16th of July. Now it is 17th of July. So this how the system is working all the time, 24 hours, and without human intervention. All you need to do is send an email to the dashboard, and it will action your request and regenerate the code, and it will send you back the email. If we go and see how the email is received in here in our inbox, you will see in the inbox, this is the email which has been received just 1 minute ago. So this is the chart 1728, and these are the 8th of February to this. It was the due dates, and which were marked as performed on 17th of July. So this is how it is done. And the next thing is that we go and see if we can execute the backup of this. So let's do the backup. Okay, so let's go and we go to the email and we executed backup command. For example, this was a backup. So this time we will change uh, to the backup, right? So the user ID will only be the required thing. So that would be Mike. So we can make a copy of the user ID. This is the user ID. So that, okay. So what we do here is we go to the email and we execute the backup request. We generate an email. We are writing an email actually. It's not auto generation. We are writing to the dashboard for that to make a backup for the user ID is what user ID is this. Control C, embed it like this. So this is our command and the rest we remove. So we are sending a request to make a backup of this user, right? So we send it. So it is going to reach to the Outlook and then it will get into this folder automatically. That is based on the rules which we have sent. We have created a rule that if such a so the incoming email should land into the folder. Now it has landed, and next is the process of backing up will take place, and it will tell you that uh, the the status has been the backup has been done, and so in 45 seconds time it is going to action it, right? It's now it will take the action on this and you will see that uh, it's composing the email now, and it has sent the email with the notification that your action has been done and you have now this backup available for Carlton. If you go and see into the Outlook email box, so you will see in the inbox you will have this. Yeah, this is in here you will have the list of them. Oh, so this is the way. Yeah, it's being sent. Okay, it will come in a minute. It should be an email showing you that you have a backup now. This is 11:54 today. This is the latest email which has come, and it is mentioning you that the back following the currently available backup for restoring are this backup is available for restoring for you, right? Whenever you want, right? So you can keep on adding your or doing any activities. Later on, you can restore it by sending a restore command. We will develop a restore event as well. Okay, so that as soon as the restore command is received, it will land into the folder and the system will start restoring it. So this is just a presentation to show you that how you can automate your dashboard and get the reports automatically without having any human interference on the server part. So once it is developed, the development work is finalized, we can use some cloud hosting of our server, and around the world, all the users can send the request to the dashboard and get it actioned automatically. Do one more attempt of take let's the next request will start from the 18th of July. I mean, it will start from 12th of February, marking it on 18th of July will be the performance date, right? The job which was due on 12th of February was done on 18th of July. So this will appear. Okay, so let's go to the Gmail and we do a backlog. Let's go to the sent mail. So this is the backlog clearance, and edit the subject. This is the backup clearance, and you see. So this time we do, instead of 4, we say 7 days clearance. Okay. Next day says you can have a different set of days of clearance anytime, right? There's no restriction. So for example, so now 7 days will appear. So first of all, it will land into this folder, which is being used to determine what command is being requested. So this will reach here. Now the Excel will automatically take charge of it, and it will action the request, and you will have a 7 days listed on 18th of July, right from 12th of February. So here, 7 days have been requested, and this is being emailed, right? So this is done, and you can see this. Okay. Now we do the backup part. For example, we want to initiate a backup request. So let's send a backup for this user, right? This is the backup command, which we can send directly to the dashboard. So dashboard will automatically take request for backup has been received, has been actioned. Backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned. Okay, which is 4th of October, August. So now, uh, so since both backup uh, have been requested on the same date, so that's why we have only one appearance, because there cannot be two backups in one day. So this is the rule of our dashboard. So you can have multiple backups of different dates, not for the same date, right? So this is another thing which we wanted to share with you, that if you attempt multiple backups for a same day, so the latest backup will be replaced, uh, and you will have only one backup for a series by the dashboard. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.